Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the Fluent Mind Language War podcast. Today, we're going to talk about something you do every day, your daily life, and how to describe it in simple, natural English.
That's perfect. I always wanted to talk about my daily life in English, but I never know how to start or what to say.
Exactly, Mark. Many learners feel the same way. But here's the truth. If you can describe your daily routine, you can have real conversations in English. It's one of the best ways to build fluency.
That sounds amazing. So, how can I start talking about my daily life?
Good question. You can start by describing your day from morning to night using the present simple tense. Let's begin with how your morning starts.
Okay. I usually wake up at 7 o'clock. Then I brush my teeth, wash my face, and make breakfast.
Perfect. That's a great start. So you said, I usually wake up. The word usually makes your sentence sound natural. You can also use words like always, sometimes, never, or often.
So I can say, I usually have coffee, or I sometimes go for a walk.
Exactly. Those are daily life phrases. Now, after breakfast, what do you do?
I go to work at 9 o'clock. I take the bus and listen to music while traveling.
Nice. That's very natural English. And see how you used I take the bus. Short and clear. That's how real English speakers talk about their daily routines.
Okay, so if I'm a student, I can say, I go to school at 8 o'clock. I study, meet friends, and eat lunch at the cafeteria.
Yes, perfect example. And don't forget connectors like then, after that, later, or finally, to make your sentences flow.
So I can say, I wake up, then I take a shower. After that, I eat breakfast and go to work.
Exactly. You're speaking like a pro now. Now, let's move to the afternoon. What do you do after work?
After work, I come home, take a short rest, and sometimes cook dinner.
That's great. You can also say things like, I relax for a while. I watch TV with my family. I check my phone. I help my kids with homework.
I like that. These are real-life phrases.
Exactly. English should describe your life, not just the textbook. Now, how about your evening?
In the evening, I eat dinner around 8. After that, I read a book or watch a movie. Sometimes I call my friends before going to bed.
That's a perfect paragraph. You can also say, I go to bed around 11, or I sleep early on weekdays.
Oh, nice. So when I talk about my daily life, I can just describe what I do from morning to night, step by step.
Exactly, Mark. And here's a little tip. Add time words to make your sentences more natural. In the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, at night, before bed.
Oh, so I can say, in the morning, I wake up early. In the evening, I relax and watch TV.
Perfect. That sounds very fluent. And for practice, you can record yourself talking about your day every night.
That's a great idea. It will help me think and speak in English faster.
Exactly. Now, let's do a short listening practice for our audience. Everyone listening, repeat after me slowly. I wake up early. I brush my teeth. I go to work. I have lunch at 1 p.m. I come home in the evening. I eat dinner with my family. I go to bed at 10 o'clock.
That's a great exercise. Even beginners can do this daily.
Yes, practice these small sentences every day and you'll build your fluency naturally.
Can I try saying my whole day now?
Of course. Go ahead, Mark.
Okay, here's my daily life. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I brush my teeth and make coffee. Then I take the bus to work. I work until 5 p.m. and come home in the evening. I cook dinner, watch TV, and go to bed around 10.
That's perfect. Simple, clear, and natural. That's how English should sound.
Thank you. This feels easy now.
That's the goal. And to everyone listening, your homework today is to record a 30-second audio about your daily life. Start with morning, end with evening. Don't worry about mistakes. Just speak.
I love that challenge. I'll do it too.
Awesome. And next time, we'll talk about how to describe your hobbies and free time in English.
Yay, that sounds fun.
Thank you for joining us today on the Fluent Mind Language War podcast. Keep speaking, keep smiling, and remember, practice every day makes you fluent.
And don't forget to follow, like, and share this episode.
See you next time, and keep talking about your daily life in English.